So this video is a brief tour of the Canvas learning management system. Here you can see my Canvas, and the courses that I teach are shown here. Basically, the two general chemistry classes are the Tuesday, Thursday class and the Monday, Wednesday, Friday class are shown here. They're both the same, just one is for Tuesday, Thursday, the other one is for Monday, Wednesday, Friday. So I'll just click on the Monday, Wednesday, Friday one. Here you'll see the syllabus, and this is the instructor view. So this will be very different than the student view. So I'll also go through the student view and what you will see in a brief moment. So the syllabus is there, a PDF link, as well as the course calendar, my office hours, pretty rudimentary stuff. You can see if I go to the student view, basically what's shown inside the purple box is the student view, what you will see. Mine, being the instructor view, actually has a little bit more of bells and whistles. Kind of what you will really need to use are the announcement, modules, and assignments. So if I click on announcements, you can actually see there's a 17-minute welcome video introducing you to the course and telling a little bit more about myself. So do check that out, and obviously I'll be giving announcements throughout the semester. The syllabus is where you'll find the syllabus. Another link that you'll see in the menu are the modules. So this is where you'll see a lot of the lecture material, where you'll find the notes, where you'll find the videos. So I clicked on the chapter 1 lecture notes, and you can download the PDF. This is what I go by when we have the live lecture. If you do attend the live lecture, remember we're going to split this, 12 and 12 for each day. And there you see highlighted are the end of chapter problems. So again, it's an honor system. You do those end of chapter problems at the back of the book, at the end of the chapter, show your work and check your answers with the instructor's solution manual. Upload that and I'll give you 10 points. So like that, we're going to do this for chapters 1 all the way to chapter 10. So going back to the modules, you'll find the chapter notes and online videos. So let's click on modules again. The quizzes will be there, though I do ask that you look at the assignments. Actually is where you'll upload the quizzes. So assignments is basically where the quizzes and tests and homeworks where they will go. But the quizzes are there, and at the bottom you'll actually see a forum where you can discuss the quizzes under group discussion quizzes. I also expect you guys, since this is a hybrid course, to look at these videos. The first video is 6 minutes long, and it's how to write a lab report. There's a very specific format and structure to them. But the videos, basically, there's about 16 to 18 hours of videos for General Chemistry 1, encompassing chapters 1 through 10. And for example, the first chapter lecture is about 1 hour. Just keep pace is what I will recommend you to do. You do not need to sit through and watch a whole 1 hour lecture video. Split it up per your convenience. So if it's 20 minutes, 20 minutes, 20 minutes, or 30 minutes one day and 30 minutes the other day, the key is to keep pace, because a lot of you will probably learn most of the material from the dorm or from home. Shown here are some quick hit videos that are about 5 to 15 minutes long. If you are pressed for time or need a quick overview or a refresher, then definitely you want to check out these videos. But the first and primary preference is to go to these in-depth lectures. Also highlighted here are your labs. We're going to do 4 in-house at Methodist University labs, and then there's going to be about 6 labs or so that are going to be virtual. So that's in the assignments tab. We'll get a look at that. Here are the previous tests and study guides to get a grasp of the type of tests and questions that I asked. Some textbook supplemental PowerPoints, you can choose to use that or not. And then the study guides for the exam. So I already made 3 tests, and the study guides sort of tell you what to look for, to kind of like a laser, tell you what to study for an exam. So the first exam is going to be August 31st and September 1st. So that's the first thing you want to go to that's the first thing you want to do in studying for the test, is use the study guides. If you go to the assignments link here, this is where everything will get uploaded. Here are the tests. You can sort by due date, or you can sort by due date, or you can sort by type. I usually like to sort by type. So here are the 3 exams. I do not think you'll be able to see them because it's locked. It will be opened up on August 31st, 2020. Just a reminder that your tests are going to be twofold. This is the multiple choice portion of the exam, and then there will be an in-house portion of the exam where you'll have about 3 or 4 problems where you'll have to show your work. Quizzes, again, the quizzes are due the day of the test. You'll upload them. This is also locked. I think it looks like they'll be opened and available August 10th. So on the first day of class, you can check out your quiz. And then here are the homeworks. So again, the homework, the due dates will be given to you in class, or I will email them to you. And finally, we have some lab reports, in-house lab reports. And once I get the virtual labs, I will also post them up to Canvas. If I exit the student view and go to the instructor view, just to give you an idea of what to expect for the exam. So this will open up for you on the 31st, or the next day, if you're in the Tuesday, Thursday class, that would be September 1st, and it's a multiple choice exam, about 20 to 25 questions. Going back to assignments, also want to emphasize quizzes, so you'll download the quiz. Shown here is the link where you'll download the quiz. So this is what the quiz looks like. Again, we ask you to use Microsoft Equation Editor, particularly for the math portion where you have to show your steps. So that's a lot more easier to grade. And I do not grade the quizzes. My TA, student assistant, grades the quizzes. So it's easier for him to do that. Now, if you are discouraged or overwhelmed, you can print out the quiz and submit it via pencil and paper. Just make sure that when you scan it, you scan a high quality version, you scan a copy that is in the right orientation. Also, you scan something that's very neat so that we can give you partial credit.